Matapos makapagplano, inilabas na ng housemates ang kandelabra sa garden area kung saan magaganap ang weekly task. At nang bumalik sila sa loob ng bahay,
Let's strategize. May naiisip akong plano. I just want to say something. I don't know if it will help. I have a strategy. Depends. Ano? Kasi, hindi, wala pa lahat. So, I want everyone to be here. Para wala tayong problema, we'll get this weekly task done. Basta upo tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Sorry guys if I'm raising my voice kasi pauses din ako.
Then ako na parang gusto ko magsalita, since ako nga din leader, parang
matatanda ang noong nakarang araw ay itinalaga ng housemate si Lee para mamuno sa gawaing bahay.
I mean, everybody's listening to naman sa'yo kapag when you speak. So, I think I'm okay with leaving our spokesperson.
I vote for Lee.
Yes?
I recall they said it's okay to speak up. Whatever you say as a leader, you speak up, sabihin agad. So, yun yung pumasok sa isip ko.
It's fine.
Kapag magsasalita, straight to the point kasi madami din gusto
Yeah, straight to the point. Okay, is everyone complete?
Bigyan din ng chance yung iba para magsalita.
Ito, first strategy suggestion ko lang. I think this is where we strategize. This is where we strategize and form the groups na. Ganun na lang. Pagod na group 1, papasok group 2. Pagod na group 2, papasok group 3. Or what do you suggest? Yes, ikaw muna, Ashley.
Sub lang yung person na
Sub. Kasi, sorry na.
O kaya nga, isa-isa.
Brother and sisters, mamaya na yung strategy. Ano muna tayo? Groupings muna.
Grouping. Okay.
Hindi natin maisip yung strategy kung wala
pang group.
Who's confident?
Who's the other one?
Raise your hand.
Fred.
Who's confident?
That's not gonna help. That's not gonna help.
I'm just getting the spirits up, brother.
Ang housemates, kaagad namang isinagawa ang pagbuo ng mga grupo.
Hindi, totoo talaga. Sparkle. Ha? Sofia, hindi masyadong like...
Yun, sa groupings yun, nag-talk about, we talked about ano bang dapat groupings, ano ba strategy sa groupings.
Ginawa po naming equal lahat ng groups, as in equal types of people, equal body types, since endurance task po ito.
Kung nakahanap na ng kani-kanilang kagrupo ang housemates, si Lee,
Wala pa ito na akong group.
Uy, ano? Saan ba?
Kahit sino po.
O, kami na lang dalawang walang group eh.
Curious naman tayo. Wala masyadong mental.
Oo, kaya
Strategy lang tayo.
Oo, ganyan ka lang.
Kung paano bubuhatin.
Lee, ka dito. Dito ka. So, dito ka. So, pahaba. Tapos dito ka.
nang mabuo na ang lahat ng grupo, nagpatuloy na sa kanilang pagpaplano ang housemates.
Can it be possible
Hindi pa pala
na
isang
walang
tao na
mag-switch
hindi
the one... I don't know, it sounds crazy, but hear me out.
Feeling ko
Hear me out. Isang group lang, isang araw. But do you think that's possible kung kakayanan? Hindi.
No, basta if you want to switch, why not? Yeah.
Pero,
Dude, we're 20
I'm just
We don't have to switch if we just don't.
Kaya nga, di ba, that's what I was thinking. Kung kayang-kaya naman, and like, no problem.
You don't need to pee. If you have to pee, or
Discard nyo.
number 2, don't.
Hindi ko ano lang yung...
Hindi, wait lang. No. Let me clarify that. No.
Okay, ito.
Wait.
Discarte nyo.
Hindi,
Discarte nyo.
Hindi, ganito. Ito na isip ko.
Para, kasi ito
Someone-
jive eh.
wait.
Jive naman.
Isa-isa muna, Clifford. Ako naman.
Wait.
Isa-isa lang. Guys, walang nagkakaintindihan kasi ang daming nagsasalita. And sorry, Lee, I appreciate that you want to lead us, but let...
Yeah, and I'm
the
not a
task
leader right
leaders.
now. I'm also suggesting. Don't
Yeah,
think
but
of me as a leader.
sometimes kasi you overstep.
I
As
overstep.
early as, I hope you
sorry,
don't take it
sorry.
in a wrong way. I just want us, like,
Yeah, I
parang
know.
okay lahat.
Pero I'm raising my hand as a, don't think of me as a leader right now. I'll step down.
No, dude. Just
No,
if you have a whatever,
Ayun
don't worry
nga.
about it.
Ano ba yun?
Not everyone po kasi kuya will be able to understand. Someone's trying to speak, medyo kinakat po niya. Parang give way din to others.
Yeah, I just want to clarify yung sinasabi na ni Arset na don't pee, don't poop. That's baka magka-problem pa UTI.
No, kasi if he doesn't want to poop, he doesn't want to pee. Why not?
Yeah.
Siyempre si Lipo gusto niya rin mag-help, gusto niya rin magbigay ng ideas, and siyempre concerned din siya. Madami siyang gustong i-share, kaso yung iba nag-raise na po ng hands. Tsaka nauna sila. Baka na-excite lang po si Lee. Kaya nasabihan po siguro ni Sofia.
I think four people can carry that. It wouldn't, kasi kung isa lang naman naalis, that won't affect the whole group. Kasi kung apat naman nakabuhat,
I don't wanna argue.
it's not gonna affect.
So that's why...
Kaya nga, like, sub lang, tapos babalik ako agad after ko umihi, lalagay ko agad. Di ba ganun? Okay, that's it. Thank you.
I don't wanna argue.
It's not gonna affect.
Kung diskarte natin, okay, yes, diskarte nila sa kanila. Huwag na natin pagtipan kasi it will work. If they want it to fall, no one wants it to fall, bro. So, hindi naman kailangan.
Yung per group na strategy.
Yeah.
Kasi magkakita tayo ng...
Yes, bro. Hindi naman kailangan one strategy lang for everyone. Yes.
Wala namang papayag na hindi sila
Hindi na kakayanin yun.
Medyo uncomfortable po kami sa nangyari. Hindi namin alam kung tama ba to or saan kami pupunta, kaya nagkagulo, kaya parang lahat na ata nagsasalita. Ano ba talaga yung sinasabi ni Lee, dahil madami siyang suggestion na iniisip sa utak niya na hindi na namin alam kung ano dapat gawin.
Group hug, before...
Prayer time.
Tapos na yung task. Okay.
Good luck.